Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting video, and this is all about two interesting programming languages which are mostly used in this world, which is Java and Python, and we'll see which programming language is better and why. Okay, in the end, I'm gonna give you one bonus tip that will definitely help you out in becoming a good programmer or developer. So yeah, stick till the end of this video. So when it comes to Java and Python, these are two great programming languages in this world. Like mostly all of them will be used everywhere, which are really important when it comes to developing something or designing something. So when it comes to Python, it is an easy to understand and easy to learn programming language. If you're a beginner, then it is really easy for us to go through it, to understand the basics and to implement it. It is really a cool programming language for beginners. And not only that, if you learn Python, you can build data-driven applications, and you can also work with artificial intelligence, and which is really interesting, right? Because Python has a large community, it has many libraries, and you can implement and work according to the application that you're working on. Like for example, if you want to work with GUI apps, then you need Tkinter. If you want to work with data-driven applications, then you need Matplotlib, something like that. Python has many cool libraries which really almost covers all the applications. Like you can build whatever application you want to work with, and you can simply use those libraries which are there in the Python. And not only that, Python is used for scripting. You can work as a web developer if you learn Python. Like if you know the Django framework, then you can work as a web developer, and you will be working on the back end if you know scripting using Python. And not only that, it is used in scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many more. So what about Java? When it comes to Java, it is an object-oriented programming language, and it is strongly typed programming language. Even Java has many libraries. You know, Java is developed long back, but still it is in the trend. Even developers use Python now to work with applications, to design and develop applications. And even Java has many interesting libraries, and each and everything has its own importance even in Java. And with Java, you can build an application in such a way that the runtime speed will be, a bit more it will be having a more runtime speed, and it will be mostly you will use Java to design large scale applications. And it is also used to work with Android applications, and with Java we can even develop games. And not only that, it is mostly used in enterprise applications. Like when it comes to business related things, then at the time we need Java. So even Python can do that, even Java can do that. Python will be mostly used for data-driven applications, and Java is used for more large-scale applications. Which is a better programming language? What do you think? Is Python a better programming language, or is Java a better programming language? Each and every programming language has its own importance. It depends upon the person who is going to learn the programming language. Like for example, if you're a beginner in programming and you feel programming a really difficult task to accomplish, and programming is never ending. You have to still learn because there are many libraries, many applications. So what I say is, if you're a beginner, if you want to be good at programming as fast as you can, then at the time I can say Python is better programming language for you, because Python is easy to learn and implement programming language. With Python, you can easily understand the syntax, and not only that, you can even build applications. You can be a beginner to pro in months when it comes to Python. Each and everything is easily understood and easily performed, something like that. If you are that kind of person who want to work for large scale applications, then at the time Java is the best programming language. As I said before, Java is good for large scale applications. Like it also offers good performance, which is what we will be looking for when we are designing an application, right? So that is what important when we are working with an application. So Java is the best choice for that. If you're a beginner and if you want to be good at programming and you have passion on the data-driven applications, then you can go with Python. If you want to design an application which has good performance, then I would say Java is the best choice for that. And the bonus tip is, it depends upon you who want to learn the programming language. It depends upon your passion first, what I say is what you want to become. Just think that. Try to understand who are you and what you want to become, and then choose the programming language which is suitable for you. If you're a beginner and you want to be good at it, then I would say Python. That's my choice. Like, you got me, I think. Like, for you, what is right? First, think about that. With passion, only you can, be good at programming or coding, because it's not an easy job. Programming is really difficult. And for the people who feel like it's a game and it's easy, for them, it's super easy. For the people who feel like, oh my God, it's difficult, I can't do it, then for them, it's really difficult. It depends upon the person. So if you're passionate about working as a data analyst, then go with Python. If you want to become an app developer, if you want to design large-scale applications with good performance, then start learning Java. It's all about your passion. Passion is the one motivates you every time you work on that thing. Because like programming in the beginning, it is difficult, but after that, it will be easy. How come you do all those difficult tasks? For that, passion is the best thing to do. Think what you're passionate about and then start with that, programming language which you want to work with, and then start learning with passion. That's all. See you in the next video. If you like the video, then hit that cute little like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll never miss interesting updates from me. And yeah, see you in the next video.